Today, I'm going to introduce the new and improved CompanyOn Support Chat. When you open the chat, you'll now see a new menu with 4 options. Something is broken. Provide feedback. I need training. And I have a question. Let's take a closer look at how each option works. First, we have Something is broken. You should select this option whenever you are experiencing a technical issue with the platform. The chat will begin by asking what type of issue you are experiencing. For example, you may select an unexpected error message. Next, it will ask where the issue occurred. This could be in a specific area of the platform or within the mobile application. You will then be asked to upload a screenshot. Screenshots can be extremely helpful, as they allow our support team to better understand what you are seeing and resolve the issue more efficiently. If you do not have a screenshot, or you prefer not to upload one, simply select Skip this step. Once you have completed these questions, a support ticket will be created. The chat will then ask you to provide any additional details about the issue. We recommend including as much information as possible, as this will help our team investigate your case more effectively. The next option is Provide feedback. You can use this option when you would like to suggest an improvement to the platform. The chat will ask which area of the platform your suggestion relates to. Once you select the appropriate area, you will be asked to provide additional details. You can explain what you would like to improve, why the change would be helpful, and how it could make the platform work better for you. Your feedback will then be sent directly to our support team. The third option is I need training. This option is designed for users who need help learning how to complete a task or use a more advanced feature. For example, you may need training on users and permissions. After selecting the topic, the chat will ask you to provide more information about what you would like to learn. This will help our team better understand your training needs and provide the most relevant support. The final option is I have a question. This option works differently from the others because it is powered by artificial intelligence. You can use it to ask questions about workflows, features, or platform configuration. These are usually questions such as, how do I complete a specific task? What does this feature do? Or, where can I find a particular setting? For example, you could ask about the reporting modules. The AI assistant will explain what the reporting modules are and may also provide a link with instructions on how to create reports. You can also ask a question such as, how do I add a new user? In this case, the assistant may first ask whether you have an individual, clinic, or agency account. This helps ensure that the instructions are appropriate for your account type. The assistant will then provide step-by-step instructions for creating a new user. It may also include a link to a YouTube video demonstrating the process. When you no longer need assistance, the AI assistant will ask, is there anything else I can help you with? To end the conversation, select, no thanks, no more help. A closing message will appear, followed by a pop-up asking whether your question was resolved. Select yes if the conversation answered your question. If your question was not resolved, select no to continue receiving assistance through the chat. And that's it. You now know how to use the new and improved CompanyOn Support Chat.